So let's check out this kitchen utensil set that was sent to me to try out. Let's go ahead and unbox it, check out what comes inside the box, together with the quality of all of the utensils. So let's check out this piece. This is a close-up look of this utensil set. So this is a nice ergonomic sort of wood material, and then this is a nice silicone. I actually prefer the silicone utensils. So these are all of them. This is some nice thongs. Of course, just push this in. That this is a long pot, so that you could go ahead and pick up whatever food that is that you're cooking. And again, this is silicone. So you actually get some nice dough cutters, which I quite like. And of course, you have the sharp edge right here together with right on the top curved pot. So this is pretty neat. You do get also a nice silicone. It's super flexible, so that this is a sort of a utensil holder. So once you're cooking, you could go ahead and just simply rest utensils here, and any drippage, is going to come inside here and be collected. So let's actually go ahead and set it up. So you do have a set. So this bucket, you can go ahead and put some of the utensils. And then as you saw just now, you do have this tall piece, which we're going to go ahead and build so that you can actually hang things off of it. So check out how it looks. Nice container, does not take up so much space. And then you do have this where you can hang all of these items right here. There's still a few more. Actually also comes with a nice black apron. Now this apron actually has 2 pockets right here on the front. So you do get a nice extra gift as an apron. And then it also actually comes with some hooks. So in case you didn't want to use this and you had somewhere in your kitchen that you wanted to hook, you do get a few nice hooks right here. This is a great quality, especially because it is silicone and then this wood finish. This can go into the dishwasher, it can go into the freezer, you can put it cook with it at high temperatures. So it's a great quality that's definitely going to last. And it does come with all the different types of utensils that you would actually need to go ahead and cook your meals. And of course, measuring cups of all different sizes and measuring spoons. So I think this is a really great set.